equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a small container for screws. First, unplug your Dyson SV12. Remove the dustbin and set it aside. Next, locate the screws on the motor housing. Carefully unscrew them and place them in your container. This ensures you won't lose any parts. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor housing. You may notice some dust inside. Use the soft cloth to clean the area. A clean vacuum performs better. Now, inspect the motor for any visible damage. Look for burnt areas or broken components. If you find any issues, it's time for a replacement. Remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, remove the old motor by disconnecting the wires. Take note of how they are connected for reassembly. If you need help, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. It's convenient, no calls, no travel. Before you proceed with the new motor installation, get a quote before repair. This ensures you know the costs involved. Now, you're ready for the next steps in replacing your Dyson motor. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.